Hello, and how are you today? That's great, that's great. In today's video, I'm going to be trying these Joy Street Protein Puffs. Not the most subtle of names, but this is the nation that produced Coon cheese, which they have changed now. It's called, is it Cheer? Cheers cheese, Cheer cheese. Yeah. I should preface this video by saying I've had a couple of white wines because it's one of my days off of work. So, anyway, I just randomly came across these at the supermarket and I thought, well, I like to have a snack on a potato chip type thing, or ball type thing. Yeah, snack without compromise. Joy Street, yum lives here. Take a tasty trip down Joy Street and snack proud with no guilt or compromise. Surprisingly better for you with wonderfully Moorish grown-up flavours. Grown-up flavour. This is cheese flavour, by the way. We've put the fun back into snacks for everyday enjoyment. Yeah, I see what you did there, you sneaky cunts. I see what you did there. So, gluten-free, made with pea protein, source of fibre, no artificial colours or flavors. Vegetarian, Australian made. You can. Okay, so the protein puffs. Average quantity of protein per serving is 5.5 grams, which is fine. Dietary fibre, 2.8 grams of fibre. Carbohydrates 11.7, but 0.4 grams of that is all that turns to sugar. So sodium's 127 milligrams. So that's So I believe them when they say it's good for you. In comparison to a Pringle or just a regular Smith's chip or whatever the fuck. But how do they taste? Let's find out. Snack without compromise. Oh, the oven roasted as well. Okay, so Joy Street Protein Puffs, cheese flavour. These were like in the health food aisle where they keep all the, like gluten free and, that kind of thing. Okay. Oh, they definitely smell cheesy. Oh, man, that smells like real cheese as well. It's like sniffing a block of cheese. That's weird. Fucking hell. So there's one. There's a protein puff. Yeah. Oh. That's bizarre. I mean, they taste fine, but they're not overtly cheesy. They smell cheesy as fuck, but taste-wise, it's very diminished. Obviously because it's like it's a healthy option. They don't put all this shite and that in it, and it makes like a cheesel taste like a cheesel, which is good. I mean, Texture-wise, they are very crunchy and crispy though. I'll give them that. It's not just like melt in your mouth as soon as you put it in there. You know, it's got some body to it. But yeah, the cheese. I mean, if you had one and not knowing, you wouldn't guess. Oh yeah, it's cheese flavored. But it's not like heavy cheese flavor. Having said that, the more I eat, the more the cheesiness builds up. That sounds weird, doesn't it? Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Actually, yeah, I'm getting more of the cheese through now. But it's like I said, it's very much like the smell of these. They don't smell like a synthetic, like cheese thing like you get with your average all your cheese flavored maize snacks and that. It smells like it smells like just like a real cheese, and the more of them that I eat, yeah, I'm starting to get it. Yeah, these are good, man. I mean, if you're into if you have a penchant for a savoury snack, or if you want to wean yourself off like your What's-Its or your Cheezels or your Cheetos, whatever your cheesy option is, these are decent, man. Yeah. And made with pea protein. Past experience, that stuff has me shitting through the eye of a needle because it's peas. Yeah, yellow pea flour. I've still got a bunch of shite in it, but not as much shite as well, it's not really shite. There's some shite, but most of it's fine. Yeah. But yeah, that kind of sneaks up on you a bit. That's when I initially launched on a couple. It's like it just has like a non-specific savoury thing. The more I ate, the more the cheesy aspect of it, and more of the cheese flavour. I don't know why I keep doing that when I say cheese. It works though, doesn't it? Cheese, cheese. Fucking hell. Yeah. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, I was lauding these, saying how they're good. And they are good. Joy Street protein puffs, cheese flavour. I don't know if they had any other flavour options when I was there, but if they did, I will try them. Because these are decent. And they're good for you. Well, they're not as bad for you as other like snacks of this ilk. Oh, that is some proper cheese aroma they've got going there, man. Wow. Oh man. So yeah. You have to get a few in you before you get your cheese. Yeah. Okay, so it's a win for the Joy Street Protein Puffs cheese flavour. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.